This company is installing solar panels on the railway tracks in Switzerland. This could potentially fulfill 2% of the country's energy demand. Sunways, a Swiss startup, is paving the way with their innovative solar panel installations on railway lines. These solar panels generate electricity to power the train stations and grids, reducing our reliance on fossil fuels. Plus, they can be easily removed for maintenance, ensuring maximum efficiency. With such a technology, a brighter, greener future is just around the corner. Which Indian city should have this technology? Let us know in the comments.